Today, we're talking about ideas. Killer ideas is all you need to blow up your channel and go viral. Crazy editing, eye-catching thumbnails, and all the effort you put into your videos don't matter if you have bad ideas. Lucky for you, I will break down every step that you need to follow to find a viral idea. And this brings us to the first step. Know your audience. Come up with a list of YouTubers you think your viewers watch. Channels similar to yours, something related to your niche, or maybe even not related but similar in content. You can also use the YouTube research tab in YouTube Studio. There's a famous quote by Pablo Picasso: "Good artists copy, great artists steal." The good artists may copy or borrow, but great artists take elements from various sources and steal them by transforming them into something new and unique to their own vision. Look out for topics that did well for others. Trigger words like viral and crazy, or a concept like a 100 days video, time-looted challenge, or testing a product. You can also just watch their videos and take out key points or any interesting information, and try to apply those things to your channel. Change the perspective, a different niche, or a combination of a few things. If you can make someone else's idea even a few % better, it becomes a new thing. But this is only step one of many others that can help you get killer ideas easily. Outliers are videos that performed better than other videos on the channel. For example, if all videos were getting 100 views, but then one of the videos has gotten 1,000, that's a 10x outlier from the usual performance. There are some paid tools that can help you find those types of videos easily, but they didn't sponsor me, so we're not going to talk about that. A free way to do it is by downloading the vidIQ extension or ViewStats extension and looking at this little box in the corner of each video. The bigger the outlier is, and the smaller the channel that has made it, the better. Basically, if a channel with 1,000 subscribers made a video that got 1,000,000 views, that type of idea can blow up again. You can first check channels from the list that you made in the previous step, but make sure that those videos are pretty new and weren't posted years ago. After looking at all outliers, try to find a common theme, topic, or idea that was used in most of them. Put them in a list, and let's combine them in step number 3.
Coming up with ideas takes a long time because it is the most important step. But if a video idea did really well, got crazy views, and is popping off, why not use that same video and turn it into viral shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok? And you don't even need to grind for that because Story Hero can do it all for you. Paste in the link for your video and watch the magic happen. Story Hero automatically finds viral moments and transforms them into fully edited shorts with text hooks, captions, backgrounds, and much more. On top of that, it shows you the virality score for each clip. Story Hero also has a built-in video editor so you can trim and customize every clip to your liking. If you want an easy way to maximize your followers and views, check it out with the link in the description. And let's get back to the video.
Now we can use all the info that we got and combine different ideas and topics together. Search from ideas from our list that can work on your channel and have not been done before. Provide value to your viewers and they will watch. Make it absurd, make it impossible, and people will get interested. Some people want to be entertained and others want to learn something new. So you need to adapt your ideas to fit different types of people. Try to just make the list of ideas shorter. There is one YouTuber in particular that used this strategy to its absolute limit. Meet Weefees, a Minecraft YouTuber that loved documentaries, solving puzzles, and making crazy stories. But what if he could combine all of those interests? And that is how Minecraft ARGs were born. But they weren't just a random ARG solving video. No, it was all scripted. Because nothing except the story really matters to the viewer. And Weefees was great at making insane stories that everyone loved. He posted the video, and it absolutely popped off, getting over 17 million views at the time of recording this video, surpassing any of the other videos on his channel and even being called one of the greatest Minecraft videos to ever exist. And all of this was possible because Weefees combined the things that he loved and he was also good at. We will use a special method to find only the most viral ones a bit later. But before that, I want to ask you to subscribe, because videos like this take a long time to make, and you help a lot by just clicking one button, and it is completely free. I also have a Discord server, where very soon I will start dropping a lot of sauce about editing, thumbnails, and much more YouTube related stuff. So if you want to learn more about content creation, make sure to join. Now back to the video. Before you just start thinking of ideas, go and get some sleep. And I'm not joking. Scientists have proven that sleep helps your brain be more creative. After your nap, go to a place that makes you happy, like your couch or maybe somewhere outside by the trees. Being in a good mood where you actually want to be productive and work helps a lot too. Take a paper notebook and start brainstorming. Write anything that comes to your mind. New ideas take time. No one just makes something new out of nowhere, except AI, which you can also use, but only for inspiration. ChatGPT and Gemini are not really a good source for original ideas, but it helps to take the first step in creating something new. Every viral idea should answer these two questions: what and how? What are you going to do in the video, and how are you going to do it? That is all you need to create a viral video idea. Take inspo from already trending topics and make them unique. I know, I already said that a bunch of times probably, but this is the way to make new ideas. Here's a video that popped up on my For You page just today. I DM'd 100 YouTubers to collab, which is inspired by this video from Ryan Trahan. I invited 100 celebrities to my birthday party. And there's another creator, Eric, who made a video titled, I begged 100 celebrities for their phone numbers. You can see that all of those video ideas have something similar, but with a different twist in each. But even if you can't really be original, remember that there are enough people to watch your video. I can guarantee that not everyone has watched videos of those big creators, so if you make a similar video idea, people will still be interested. To help you change the perspective of ideas from other channels, I made a whole list of things that you can use. Superlatives: make something very strange, impossible, or extremely simple. Stakes: if you don't complete your goal, you'll have to be punished. Money: people love to watch other people spend or make money, so the more money you put in the title, the more people will be interested. Time: time limits are another challenging aspect, which makes any video idea much better. Comprehensive: make a video about everything related to that topic, like this tutorial, which explains literally everything you need to know to come up with viral ideas. Familiarity: use objects or ideas that are very common, but in a new, exciting way. Twist: do something usual in an unusual way. Comparison: pretty easy to understand, just one thing versus another thing, to see which is stronger or better or faster. Transformation: convert one thing into another or upgrade something. You get the idea. The one-word pitch: every successful video idea must be able to be described in a single compelling word. This forces simplicity and clarity, which means if your video idea cannot be explained in one word, you should simplify it. For example, stranded, sneaking, impossible, dangerous. Another hack is to transform your every video idea into a long-term format. If something worked once, it has a very high chance of working again. So why not make a whole series out of one video idea? That's what MrBeast did in a few of his videos. If you look closely, you can see that he made a video about a cheetah running against the fastest car. Then a few videos later, he uploaded Robot versus Fastest Man. You can notice that those are very similar videos, where something very fast is trying to beat something weird, like a cheetah and robot. And this is just one of many examples from his channel. There's also a Ronaldo video, which was followed by a Neymar video. Both are famous soccer players, and both of the uploads got really good views. So for sure consider this long-term format option when coming up with your next banger idea. After all of these steps and making a whole list of raw viral ideas, we can start our filtering process. Only 10% of what we wrote down can actually be used. And we have to make the right decision to pick the best ideas. Here's a simple framework that can help us with that. Can you make that idea happen? Is it even possible in real life? Do you have the time and money to make it happen? Do you know how to make it happen? Consider every fact and see if you're able to do it. Will all your existing viewers watch your video? Will people who are new be interested in your video? It is important to satisfy both of these audiences to make as many people watch your video as possible. Will the video be connected to your channel? And by this, I mean, will it be in your channel niche, or is it something new and doesn't work with the style your channel has? For example, if you make a cooking video on your channel about gaming, it will 100% not perform well, because the audience is not used to that, and so is the YouTube algorithm. It is built to show your video to the right audience, but if you switch niches too fast, it will struggle to do that. Does this video idea have the potential to go viral? If you just look at the idea, do you think it can blow up and get views? Or will it just be watched by 10 people and never see the light of virality ever again? And lastly, can you think of a thumbnail and title for it? If yes, then make a concept thumbnail, or maybe a few. See if the idea works and if you can make it look good. Because even big YouTubers get good ideas, but they can't make a viral thumbnail for it. So they just scrap the video idea and try to find something better. If you can't make a thumbnail, that video is not worth making. I recommend making a few sketches of your thumbnail idea and just seeing if they could work on a YouTube homepage. Coming up with an idea takes time, but it is the most important thing that you can do to make a video go viral. Without a killer idea, your video is doomed from the beginning, but a good video idea changes everything. People with 0 subscribers blew up overnight, just because they spent some extra time analyzing and working on their ideas. Subscribe if this helps you, and God bless. I will see you in the next one.